Yadaton from Thailand. I am an undergraduate student here in JI, and this is my first time joining this Chinese opera. It's a really eye-opening experience for me, and I feel like I learned a lot, especially about the Chinese culture. And I feel like what JI does really well is incorporate this Chinese culture into our daily lives and have these experiences for us to be able to be immersed in the Chinese culture.
Hey man, I heard you went to the Peking Opera yesterday, the Peking Opera performance last night.
Yeah, I went with my classmates from my Chinese culture class, and it's super interesting. Their voices are beautiful. I heard next week you're going to the Shanghai Opera?
Yeah, I'm going to the UM-Opera performance next week on April 6th, and I'm honestly really excited because today, as you can see, I have the whole getup and the whole outfit going on right now. But you know, that was an inside perspective of the whole opera experience in China. And I got to even perform myself and got to dance a little, but I'm just excited to lay back next week and sit down and just see it with my own eyes from the audience perspective. So I'm excited, yeah.
I saw your dance performance, very impressive. You're a great dancer.
That's debatable. I don't know, man. Thank you though. Thank you for stroking my ego, but I wouldn't agree with that.